Good morning, students. I am going to continue exercise 9.4, in which we are going to find the product of binomial to binomial and binomial to trinomial. In this exercise, when you multiply any two expressions, first you multiply each term of each expression to each term of another expression. When you do these in a sequence, you get the product of the binomial to binomial and binomial to trinomial also. In this sequence, question number 2, first question is find the product, that is first binomial is 5 minus 2x and second binomial is 3 plus x. 5 minus 2x and second binomial is 3 plus x. 3 plus x. You find the product of these two binomials. First of all, you multiply 5 to 3 plus x, then you multiply minus 2x to 3 plus x. Means each term is multiplied to each term of second expression. In this sequence, you multiply 5 to the 15 plus into plus 5 into x 5x minus into plus minus 2x into 3 6x minus into plus minus 2x into x 2x square. You get 15. Here is plus 5x and minus 6x. Both are like terms, but their sign are different. Then they will be subtracted. 6x minus 5x, 1x, and that sign is minus. Means minus x. You always write the greater sign when you subtract any two terms. And you write here minus 2x square. This is your answer. 15 minus x minus 2x square is the product of 5 minus 2x into 3 plus x. These are not added together because they are unlike terms. In this sequence, we are going to solve question number 2. Last question is p square minus q square. Fourth part is p square minus q square into 2p plus q. 2p plus q. This is your question. You find the product of these two binomials. First of all, you multiply p square to 2p plus q. Then you multiply minus q square to 2p plus q. When you multiply this p square into 2p, you get 2p q. When you multiply plus into plus p square into q, p square q, minus into plus minus q square into 2p means 2p q square, and minus into plus minus and q square into q to power 3. Here no any terms are like terms, therefore they will be not added together. This is your answer. Okay. In this sequence, we are going to solve question number third, that is simplification. Means simplify, solve the given questions. Question number third, first part is simplify q square minus 5 x square minus 5 x square minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25. We simplify this question. In this question, first you multiply these two binomials and this is carried to in continued steps, and when there will be like terms, they will be added together. If there will be not or like terms, they will be not added together. You multiply x square into x plus 5, then you multiply minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25. You open the brackets after multiplication, x square into x cube, x square plus 5, that is 5 x square, minus 5 into x, minus 5x, minus 5 into plus 5, minus 25 plus 25. Here only minus 25 plus 25 are like terms. They will be equal, but their sign will be different. Therefore, they will be cancelled here. You get x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. This is your answer. Then question number third. Last question I want to solve, third 8 parts, that is a plus b plus c. Third 8 part is a plus b plus c into a plus b minus c. A plus b minus c. You simplify this question in this sequence. First of all, you multiply each term of each trinomial to each term of another trinomial. Yani each term of first trinomial is multiplied to the each term of second trinomial. This means you multiply a into a plus b minus c, then you multiply plus b into a plus b minus c, then you multiply plus c into a plus b minus c. You get a into a square, a into b plus ab, a into minus c minus ac plus b into ab, b into b plus b square, b into c minus bc plus c into ac, c into b plus bc plus c into minus c square. You carry, first of all you look the like terms. If there is a like term, then you add together. Like here, plus AB, both are like terms and both are plus sign. They will be added together. First you write a square plus b square minus c square ab plus ab plus 2ab minus ab plus ab is cancelled here. Minus bc plus bc is cancelled here. Means you get a square plus b square minus c square plus 2ab. It is your answer.